Sorry about that. That's what happens when you don't have a camera person to help you out. I unplug things as well as drop things. So anyway, I want to show you what I was working on this week to show you how cool it looks. And I'm kind of glad on how it turned out. I'm going to turn the camera around. Okay. This is called You Are My Sunshine. And it's a little pillow I made. Okay. You can all see that. My friend Ann Hine, who is a great digitizer, and she's the one doing all the digitizing classes, she digitized this little area for me. I tried to do it myself, but yeah, that was interesting. But now that she is doing digitizing lessons for all of us, and I don't know if you know or not, until the end of May, you can download that software for free and take all of Ann's courses on it online, and it's awesome. So anyway, she digitized this for me. I just had her do the black work. It was perfect. But when I started putting it together, I decided it needed a little something else. So I took a yellow Pigma pen, paint pen, and just highlighted a little bit for me. Then I added and made the pillow. I found these little pom-poms, which had the exact colors I needed in it. And it also had this blue, which I just fell in love with. So I took the blue thread and actually did the hand look stitch to give it a little accent around it. I loved how it turned out. I think it's one of my favoriteest pillows. Even my son, who doesn't like too much of what I do, it seems like, really liked it as well. And of course, since I had fabric left over, I couldn't be denied. I am making a quilt to go with it. And I'm to the stage where I'm actually doing the hand look quilting on it. And I'm doing it around as well in here. Okay, and I want to show you this. I was kind of surprised. The back doesn't look bad at all. I was really kind of happy with it. So, gee, 2 for 1. Now I'm going to come back here, which is kind of a scary thing. See if it works. So that's a hand look quilt type thing. And it works much better than me sitting there for hours in the evening trying to do it by hand, because I get real tense and shaky and want to toss it away and whatever, to where I can do it on my machine. And you know, any day behind a machine is an awesome day. We all know that. It's very peaceful and satisfying. So if anybody has any questions, I'm actually looking at my screen now, which is nice for a change. I know I lost quite a few of you when I lost my camera feed, but it's a fun thing to do. It's a great technique. You really need to try it and check it out. Don't be afraid of the the skinny fishing line thread. I can't even say it. I grew to like it, and it worked out really good. Also, again, please be kind to our dealers. They're really working their tushies off, helping everybody as best they can during this really rough pandemic time. I tell you, being stationed here at home with my adult son, yeah, you can pull your hair out, that's for sure, but we stay strong, stay healthy. Check us out, again, every Monday through Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. We're doing a lot of different things. The other day, Miriam did a wonderful segment on using the binder attachment, and I'm actually going to use it on this quilt with that hand look stitch. I think that'll really add to it. I'm just going to use a white binding so that blue thread will really pop on it. But if you also think about it, wouldn't that look kind of cool on some clothing down the front of a jacket or something? I think the possibilities are way out there. So again, thanks for joining us. Come back Monday through Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Take care of our dealers so they'll be there when all this is over with. And again, any day behind a sewing machine is a good day for us all. Till then, see you next time. Thanks for joining.